Hello, good day. So here's the another market analysis on XAU USD 8 cup chart. Okay. So we've seen the market trend up here, and basically I will using the ICT concepts made by the one and only Michael Handelson. So after the creating the intermediate term low here, which is the ITL, price never goes, price never um, go down here since there is a change in state of delivery. Okay, so change of state delivery is right here from this uh, 3172.31 area. Okay, so this is our just change state of delivery. Okay. So since the narrative of change state of delivery, it will deliver towards on the opposing liquidity of sell side liquidity. So we want the price will seek this high. Okay. So this is a May 6 May 6 2025 high. Okay. So this is our major high. Uh, May 6 2025. Okay. So before that, since we are traded above on this previous NWOG, which is the this is a NWOG NWOG high, which is May 9. Okay. May 9 NWOG high. Okay. Alright. And NWOG low right here. May 11 NWOG low. Okay. And low. Okay. So since we are traded above on this on this and previous annual, we are bullish, okay? Since NWOG or NDOG is just like the fair value gap that need to rebalance, then we simplify that the market will go higher, okay? Since we are traded above here, then we must see the price um uh fulfill or maybe will go up this it will be delivered towards on this series of bearish candle. Okay, so this series of bearish candle considered as a order block. Okay, so this is our bullish order block. Bullish OB. Okay, so since we are aiming that the price will deliver towards on this bullish order block, then we have the price projection using the standard deviation. Okay. All right. So as you can see, the May 26, 2025 is aligned or um align or this area of standard deviation will be the area of projection. Okay? Or maybe price, okay, price will go higher up to the standard deviation -2 and -2.5, since this area is the reversal zone. But we don't know what is the Monday opening next week. So we don't know if there is a catalyst that will um, deliver towards on this standard deviation level. Okay? Since the all-time high is um, since the all-time high um, is very near, okay, is aligned on the standard deviation -2 and -2.5. Okay, so maybe price will um, go up until the all-time high. Okay, all-time high. Okay, so this is our all-time high. All right. Okay, that's so right now. As you can see, this end dog, which we have the end dog here. The price is uh, mitigated this end dog, and price expanded towards here, closes above, creating a order block, closes above, and this make a displace. And on this Monday opening, we want the price mitigate this bullish order block, then it will move towards on the all-time high. Okay, so this is our narratives this week. Okay, since this low is already a protected low. Why? After the seeking the short-term low, which is here, as the after the liquidity grabbing towards on the short-term low, the price is mitigated some fair value gap around the 3285.2 area. I know, sorry. 3284.23 area. Okay? So price is the market rebalance the fair value gap, and then it created a another short-term low. Okay? Here. So if you see this bullish candle right here. Wait lang. Wait. I just remove this. Okay. As you can see this bullish candle right here. It seek a liquidity right there. Okay? So this low is protected low. So we consider this is our intermediate term low. Okay? Okay, so we have the institutional swing points. Okay. So we have the clear bias that the price will go higher towards on the May 6, 2025 and the all-time high. Okay? So right now, we don't know what is the catalyst next week, or maybe Trump will impose another tariff towards this nation. Okay? We don't know um what is the result or maybe the catalyst next week. Okay, so be mindful that um apply risk management, study the market and also the fundamentals. Read the always monitor the forex factory if there is a upcoming high impact news, because that is our lifesaver. Okay, and then always update on the economic fundamentals like the Economist, um, Bloomberg, and etc. Okay, so that we are updated the US on the US economy. Okay. Okay, so that's all for today, and see you on the next lesson. Have a safe days, guys.